Meaning of follow my leader.
Follow my leader.
Follow my leader.
Follow my leader.
Follow my leader. Follow my leader is a commonly used term in group activities or games where participants are required to mimic the actions of their leader or the first player. The game usually starts with the leader performing an action, which must be duplicated by the other players. Then, the next player in line becomes the new leader, and the others have to follow their actions. This pattern continues until all the players have had a chance to lead. The game's objective is to improve coordination and teamwork among individuals while having fun.